This short video explains what you need to know about placing requests and what schools are available. In Scotland, most pupils attend a mainstream school and receive the support they need there. Some pupils with additional support needs may attend a special school, a support base, or unit attached to a mainstream school, or a combination of these two. What is the presumption of mainstreaming? In Scotland, local authorities have a duty to provide education in a mainstream setting unless the mainstream school would not meet a pupil's needs or capabilities, being in a mainstream setting would negatively impact other pupils, the cost of placing a pupil in mainstream would be unreasonably high, perhaps due to the support needed to be put in place. What if I feel the local school isn't suitable? In most local authorities, a panel will make a decision about school placement for children and young people with additional support needs. If you feel the catchment school isn't suitable, you can talk to someone about other options. For those still of nursery age, this will be your child's health visitor, or for children already at school, it should be the person responsible for additional support at the school. What is a placing request? Parents also have the right to make a placing request. This is a formal request made to the local authority if neither the catchment school or other options recommended by the authority feel suitable. A placing request is usually made for pupils starting primary school, but can be made at any time. Making a placing request. Placing requests must be made in writing or another form that can be used for future reference. For schools run by a local authority, the request must be made to the authority responsible for running the school. For independent or grant-aided schools who have offered your child a place, the placing request should be made to the local authority responsible for the area your child lives in. You can usually find placing request forms on the local authority website. Transport. It's important to note that transport does not necessarily require to be provided by the local authority if you're making a placing request, even if the school is further away than the reasonable walking distance. The exception would be if the school is the only one that can meet your child's needs, and refusing transport means they cannot attend, or if the placing request relates to a grant-aided or independent special school. Placing request deadlines. It's important to note that many local authorities set their own deadlines for placing requests. In some cases, this may be before the Christmas break, so check with your local authority as soon as possible. You can find all this information and more on our website. Visit www.inquire.org.uk.